dude turn around in his car?
No, I was recording.
Oh, were you? The dude in the SUV, as soon as I punched the first time, broke his neck turning around to see what the hell we were doing. Like, grabbed the steering wheel and the door and had to, like, crank it around. steering.
Probably should move like yeah, it smells a lot different.
Probably should have taken a camera with us.
We found the belt.
So we found the belt. It was right up from the school where we zoomed out of there. So and there's nothing wrong with the belt. The belt looks...
Yeah, belt's in perfect shape. It just jumped.
Yeah, so for whatever reason, I don't know why it jumped. We might need could need a smaller belt, but I don't know. That belt's been on there for a long time. Oh yeah, we were definitely popping coolant, bro. This is all coolant over here.
Oh, I just looked behind the tire.
So I think we,
I don't know.
oh yeah. The overflow is full.
Oh.
So yeah, that was definitely the problem. We cooked it. Which sucks, but it is what it is. I need to take some water and dump that off. But, so yeah, we just gotta swap the belt back on there and then put her away. That's pretty much the last real rip we're gonna get out of the car before the big move. We are, that's coming up next week.
For the record, I got nerve problems in my leg. Not a rookie.
All right, so didn't really do a whole lot of talking after all of the major issues and everything we had at the tuner. It was kind of a shit show, so let me run down everything that kind of happened. We got to, as you guys saw, we got to the shop, we went over there, and then what you guys didn't see is it started leaking coolant out of the steam ports in the back, and we chased that for like 2 days. I think I talked about that already. And then I finally got that fixed, and we started leaking oil out the rear main. So brought it home, got the rear main out of it, fixed that issue, got the car back together, but it was still doing an issue we had at the dyno where it would get really hot and the starter wouldn't want to go. So I ended up ordering a high capacity starter for it, high torque, which really helped and makes this thing fire right up. I mean, you guys have heard it, I'm sure by now in some of these videos, but so we got that and everything seemed to be fixed. But the problem is we just ran into where we couldn't get back on the dyno in time before the move. So at this point, we got the couple little rips that you saw and goes on a trailer and heads for Oregon. So that's basically where we're gonna be. I'm sure it's putting in the somewhere to 500 horsepower range. What do you think?
Yeah.
It's probably 500 horsepower, no problem. But we won't know until one day we get it on. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get the belt put back on this bad boy. We'll probably wash off the coolant so it doesn't get everything all sticky and crappy right through there. And then we're basically gonna put it back in the garage till we put it on the trailer this weekend, and then probably stash the trailer over at John's again. But yeah, so that's pretty much gonna be it. That was all for the test drives. And we'll catch you, we'll do a little bit of something in Oregon, I think, with it, when we take it to where it's gonna live in Oregon for a little while. And then I'll tell you guys more about that when we get on the road and stuff. But all right, appreciate you guys checking in, hitting that like and subscribe button, and we'll check you out on the next one.